Hey guys, here's just a few quick reminders for small business owners as you come into 30 June 2025 for the end of the financial year. Things to think about before the financial year ends. Firstly, get your compliance in order. Dividends, trust distributions, all got to be documented before 30 June. And make sure they're done, they're in place. If you borrowed money from your company, it's a Div 7A loan risk. Make sure you've got minimum yearly repayments made before 30 June and that the loans are documented and the right pieces of paper in place. If in doubt, speak to your accountant. If you're claiming a car logbook expense, make sure you've got a logbook. A logbook's got to be maintained for a minimum of 12 weeks and has to be maintained at least every 5 years or if the pattern of use changes. No logbook equals no claim, no deduction. A lot of us work from home. And so if you claim work from home tax deductions, the ATO rules around this changed back in March 23. And now you must maintain a record of the hours you work from home. This can be done as a diary, as a spreadsheet, as a timesheet, but you've got to maintain it contemporaneously, that is, as you go. You also have to have a copy of your power bill, your gas bill, your phone bills, and any other invoices as well. So make sure you have these documents to hand because the fixed rate method, while it's nice and simple, actually requires a lot of admin in the background. Finally, superannuation. Don't forget, superannuation is only tax deductible to your business when it's received by the super fund. No point in making a payment on the 30th of June and expecting a tax deduction because it won't be received by the fund for several days. So make sure your superannuation amounts are paid well before 30 June. Here's another rule change for this year. From 1 July 2025 forward, if you've got balances with the ATO, the ATO has been charging you interest on those balances, that interest is no longer tax deductible. Okay, so what this means for some clients is that it might be more cost effective to borrow from the bank than to borrow from the ATO. Not that you should borrow from the ATO, you should always make your tax payments on time, but sometimes things happen.